Docker provides an official script that automates the installation process across most Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, Fedora, and more. Perfect for beginners.
Open your terminal and run this command to download and execute the Docker installation script. On-screen highlight command curl-fsl https://get.docker.com-o get-docker.sh sudo sh get-docker.sh. This will automatically detect your Linux version and install Docker and its dependencies. Pro tip on screen. You may need sudo or root access for this to work. Once done, let's check if Docker is installed correctly. Run this command, docker-version. You should see the Docker version info, which means it's successfully installed. Now, let's run a test container to make sure everything's working fine. Sudo docker run hello-world. If you see this message, Docker is installed and running correctly. On screen, show successful hello from Docker output.
And that's it.
You've installed Docker on your Linux system in just a couple of minutes using the official script. If this video helped you, don't forget